Hey developers, welcome to Devcovery. Today, we're bringing you the hottest open source projects trending on GitHub, so you don't miss any tech developments worth your attention.
Today, we're taking a deep dive into a trending project on GitHub, QwenPaw, your own personal AI assistant. This project puts the power of AI back in your hands, offering a simple way to deploy a powerful assistant on your own machine or private cloud. We'll explore its architecture and how its extensible design lets you connect it to all your favorite chat apps. How can an AI assistant be powerful enough to manage your local files and run system commands? And how can it do all that, yet remain safe enough for you to actually trust it? This is the central paradox of personal AI. One project believes the answer isn't about adding more features, but about building on a fundamentally different security-first architecture. The project is called QwenPaw, developed by agentscope-ai. It's an open-source personal AI assistant built for extensibility, privacy, and access across all your devices. This philosophy of user control is clearly resonating with developers. The project has accumulated nearly 30,000 stars on GitHub, with over 750 added in just a single day. This rapid growth suggests that the community is actively searching for a more trustworthy AI partner. QwenPaw aims to be exactly that partner, one that, in its own words, works for you and grows with you. The core problem here is a classic trade-off between capability and security. For an AI assistant to be truly useful, it needs deep access to your local environment. It needs to read files, execute scripts, and automate tasks. But giving a large language model that level of control is a huge risk. In the past, developers faced a tough choice. Either use sandboxed cloud services with limited abilities, or build custom local solutions that often lack solid security. QwenPaw tackles this dilemma head-on. Its unique approach isn't to just bolt security features onto an existing design. Instead, the entire system is designed from the ground up around a concept it calls the Agent OS. So, what is this Agent OS? At its heart, it's a philosophy that treats each AI agent like a miniature operating system. This OS is built on three pillars. First, there's resources. This gives each agent its own transparent on-disk workspace. Second, there's governance. This uses a rule engine called ToolGuard to inspect every command before it runs, effectively preventing malicious actions. The third and most critical pillar is the sandbox. It uses powerful kernel-level isolation technologies, like bubble wrap on Linux, to create a secure, contained environment for code execution. You can think of it as giving the AI a padded room, where it can work its magic without any risk of damaging the host system. But the innovation doesn't stop there. Another key area is its memory system. Instead of summarizing old conversations and potentially losing details, QwenPaw uses a technique called scroll context. This preserves the entire dialogue history, giving the AI perfect recall on demand. This is all paired with multi-layer security and a flexible architecture that supports both local models and cloud APIs. Even the desktop application is a clever piece of engineering. It uses a Rust-based shell to manage a Python backend, which delivers a cross-platform experience with native performance. So, what does this look like in the real world? QwenPaw serves a wide range of users. For example, a developer could use its coding mode to have the AI read an entire project repository and help write unit tests. An operations manager might schedule a task for the agent to generate a daily report and then automatically broadcast it to team channels on Discord and DingTalk. And for tech enthusiasts, it's a powerful platform for building custom automations, like a workflow that scrapes news sites and sends a personalized summary every morning. The project makes getting started easy, offering multiple installation paths from simple scripts to a Docker image and a full desktop app. Looking at the community, the feedback is largely positive. Users praise the project's ease of deployment and its powerful multi-channel integration. Many highlight the practical benefits of its document processing skills and the never forgets memory system. But it's not all praise. There are some cautious notes as well. Some users point out that its plugin ecosystem is still young compared to more established alternatives. Others have raised concerns that its close ties to the Qwen ecosystem could, over time, lead to a degree of vendor lock-in. Digging deeper, QwenPaw's very architecture presents its own set of challenges. The project's sophisticated blend of Python, Rust, and JavaScript creates a complex build process. This, in turn, raises the bar for new contributors and increases long-term maintenance costs. What's more, its reliance on kernel-level sandboxing, while a powerful security feature, makes the application sensitive to host operating system updates. A simple OS update could potentially break the security model. This tight coupling between the application and the OS kernel represents a significant and often overlooked engineering trade-off for achieving that robust security. In the end, QwenPaw is much more than just another AI chatbot. It represents a thoughtful architectural answer to the critical question of trust in AI agents. By prioritizing security from the ground up and putting users back in control, it offers a compelling vision for the future of personal AI. A future where your AI is not a service you rent, but a tool you truly own.
That's all for today's Devcovery. We hope these GitHub trending projects spark some inspiration for your development work. You can find all the repos mentioned in the description below. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you tomorrow at the same time.